So question 9 looks at square base pyramids. So they have a square base, that's it, and they're a pyramid. He's going to stick the two square faces together of his two pyramids, and we want to know how many faces and edges they have. So, best thing here is to draw the pyramids if you can. It's not easy. We need to draw something that is in 3D, and that's hard. So it looks like this. It has a kind of a square base. You'll see what I mean. So when you draw it up together, you've got a pyramid, a 3D pyramid with a square base. Then we're going to attach another one underneath. Exactly the same thing to the same base, because the question said the bases meet. He attaches them at the base. Then we can start counting. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the top one, and then the ones around the middle. That makes a total of 12 edges. And then counting the faces in 3D is horrid, but we can try. So there's one face, there's another face at the front, there's a face kind of at the back and the side there, and then there's a face right at the back of the red triangle. Now of the top one, we've got a face at the front, a face to the side, and then there's one behind there, and there's another one behind there. That makes a total of 8 faces. Tricky, but not impossible.